Okay, welcome students. The solution problem number 14. So Ritu, Geeta and Ashish were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. For balance sheet given. So in balance sheet all assets other than cash debited to realization account, as well as all liabilities credited to realization account. Yes, assets other than cash and liability other than capital and reserve profit and loss account transferred to realization account. Okay, come to the adjustment. On the date of above mentioned date, the firm was dissolved. Rita was appointed to realize the assets. Rita was to receive 5% commission on the rate of assets except cash was to bear all expenses of realization. Assets were realized by bank. So all assets realized at what rate that is given in problem. So debtor 30,000. Then stock 26,000. Debtor realized at 30,000. Stock realized at 26,000. Then plant 42,750. Okay. Investments were realized at 85% of book value. So investment 69,000. But this 69,000 realized that only 85%. So investment book value 69,000, that is realized at only 85%. So how much? 58,650. So total assets realized 1,57,400. Okay sir. Next is what? Expenses of realization amounted rupees 4,100. Bank account. Number 1. Realization expenses. Okay. Firm had to pay rupees 7,200 for outstanding salary. Salary due 7,200. Contingent liability in respect of bill discount. One more liability. So bill discounted liability. That is how much? 9,800. And the next is what sir? Definitely creditors and the bills payable, both are payable. So creditors 65,000 and bills payable 26,000. So total expenses amounted to rupees 1,08,000. Now one more information. Rita commission. So Rita capital. So how much is commission? Clearly given in problem. That is 5% commission on the rate of assets realized. Total assets realized 1,57,400. Out of which Rita received 5% commission. So Rita received 7,870 as commission. Okay. So now balance sheet figure. In this problem, balance sheet figure comes in credit side. So when balance sheet problem comes in realization of a credit side means that is loss. So by loss transfer to capital. So there are three partners. Who are the partners? Rita and Geeta and Which ratios are? So the balancing figure 1,15,970. 3:2:1. So for Rita, one lakh 15,970 divided by 6 into 3, that is Rita, into 2 Geeta, and into 1 Asis. Okay. Now capital account, there are 3 partners. So opening balance of capital account is liability. Liability balance is credit balance. Okay. Then general reserve. How much general reserve? 20,000. At what ratio? 3:2:1 divided by 6. That comes for Rita 10,606. 6,667 and 3,333. So check in realization account. If any capital account appears in realization account, debit side means that is creditor to capital account. Credit side means that is debitor to capital account. In this problem, rate of commission by realization account. How much is rate of commission? 7,870. Then realization loss 57,985, 38,657, 19,328. I think no more information. So balancing figure transferred to bank account for Rita 97,870. 97,870. So on dissolution date, Rita received 39,885 from the firm. Then Geeta 56,667. So the balancing figure for Geeta 18,010. And Asis 33,333. So this partner received 14,005 rupees from firm. So finally bank account or cash account. So the opening balance for cash is given in problem is 22,500. To balance got down. Now check realization account and the capital account. When bank appears debit side, that is transferred to credit side. When credit side, that is transferred to debit side. In realization account, debit side, total expenses 1,08,000. That is credited to bank account. Bank account or cash account? 1,08,000. 1,57,400 total expenses. Realization expenses 1,08,000. Assets realized 1,57,400. Capital paid. Rate of capital account 39,885. Geeta capital account 18,010 rupees. Asis capital account 14,005 rupees. I think no more info. There is no partner account, no partners loan account. So the total cash account settled at 1,08,000. possible.